And one, roll, roll, boom, and boom, roll the other way, boom, boom, and one, flex, point, flex, point, flex, on the, boom, boom, so out, roll, roll, boom, boom, all the way, boom, out, flex, boom, 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 and same thing to the back, yeah, 3 fondus, and just an elevate. Come down and we'll do the other side. It's weird, right? When you start doing the roll, doesn't it feel awkward?
Yeah.
One way, not the other, right? So just getting it so like you have a little bit more control over that kind of helps too. You overpoint your right foot sometimes. So you go boom, boom, and the heel goes out. I'm like seriously exaggerating, right? But it starts like there, and then it goes, yeah, yeah. So that's where we want to get, right? Yeah, you feel how it wants to curve on you just a little bit? So, while dancing, I found that it really helped if I thought I was pushing over my big toe, because then it, not to wing, please don't, I can't, oh my God, it drives me crazy. It's just not pointing the other way. Not to wing, but to keep it so it doesn't curl the other way, right? And it really helps me. And my feet have a natural sickle to them. Yeah, and you're not doing a left, so it's just something to you're just trying to point, right? You just go a little bit too far. Start in 6, 7, 8. Fondu, and bring it right back to the same spot. Fondu, boom. Développé, pick up, pas de bourrée, pick up, pas de bourrée, bounce, bounce, susu. Yeah. 7, susu, 8. Yeah, you roll into the feet nicely, and so you're very present, it's very open, yeah? This is not even nitpicky, this is a just so you know. This isn't even a correction, okay? Just be aware, when we're using épaulement, right? Sometimes we'll go open, that's okay as long as this doesn't lose, right? It can open a little bit, and boom, absolutely 100%. So you were doing that. Again, not trying to fix anything, right? Just be aware, just make sure it doesn't roll too far. Yeah. Did your arm on the pirouette, it kind of went this way. Yeah, just a little bit. Your left arm was actually better. That was super solid. Yeah. Be careful, and sometimes you get to the finish of the pirouette and then pull the hip back just a little bit, and so the left foot just got a tiny bit cycled. Again, this is a great place to be, right? This is nitpicky land. I love nitpicky land. Yeah. It means the big things are pretty much there, right? Yeah, really, really nice. And when I said yes, it's because you were so solid, like the box was like straight down, like the picture. Yeah, that was. Let's do this one that we did. 4H base, 3, 4, fourth, close back, fourth, close front, pirouette, and down. Yeah. The big key is going to be flipping the fourth, right? And make sure you move your bar arm forward with you, so it's not holding you up back here. Yeah, here we go. And up, and here up. They don't slow down. They don't have to be big. It's small force. Just boom, boom, boom. Right? Just flip the body. Yeah. So. Yes, ma'am. Keep that turn on the pirouette. Let's go again. Nice. Boom. This way. Yes, ma'am.
Wait, I think I messed up then.
It's good. So there's only like 2 steps, right? So row edges, extend, solid, positive, fourth. So it's an arabesque. See. Yeah. Was it the fourth?
I did the like turn right.
Oh, okay. I was trying to figure out what was. Okay, cool. And long, yeah. So, first of all, shape-wise, that was fantastic, right? We just need to flow through a little bit quicker. This is right, boom, dun, right? So once you go here, go right away into the tummy and just flow through it. Yeah. I feel like, I know you're taking notes, I know you're taking your scope. I feel like in the last 3 months or so, stuff is really. Like there's so much, you know what I'm talking about, I see you and I see what I think you could be, you're getting much closer to that, and recently, so nice job. Nice job. All right, here we go. Brush it. Nice. And always at bottom. Reach. Take this further. You're cutting it underneath you, so it's stopping the movement just a little bit. Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Printed, not quite all the way around. Right. So we talked about how this relationship to here has to stay the same as you go. Right. So making sure that you keep that similar. And on the left, giving yourself credit for your improvement and not grabbing the bar with 2 hands. I don't feel you need to, but I also understand that you did. And right mentally we're like, This is what I need to do. I don't think so. So give it a shot with one and see what happens. All right, here we go. One more time. So as it got a little, it got a little brittle, just a tiny bit, right? But then you really hit it on that last Pointe. That was very nice. Did you feel where it started?
Yeah.
The body started getting ready. Your first one? I feel like we could have taken the bar and you just want to stay there. Like it was so solid on, right? So being right on top and over that, yeah? Nice. All right, go ahead.